Patriots. First five. Starting at shooting guard, number 19, Ben Bidil. Center, number 17, Bulay. Guard, number 12, De Los Santos. Power forward, number 21, Bacaso. And guard, number 18, Ercilia. From the home team, Muñoz Water Pumas. Starting at center, number 3, Hipólito. Small forward, number 17, Abraham. Power forward, number 15, Angeles. Guard, number 14, Rahusa. And guard also, number 36, Ednes Dawa. Sa mga poston mula sa susunod na Kongres ng Distritos, Honorable Paul Salvador. And here we go, jump between Bulay and Hipólito. Main event. And the whole team wins the pick. Here comes Team Llanera. Ercilia. First round of the ball game. Here comes the break. De Los Santos to Ercilia. Back-to-back points. Bahusan, center screen Abraham, and the number is good. Pass inside, De Los Santos gets the ball. De Los Santos cross the lane, extra pass, Ercilia, Ribbon. Pass to Hipólito, and Hipólito gets the pass. Bahusan, and up the window, with the layup. Nice pass, finding the open man, and Rahusa, bigger goal. Navidad, Ercilia once again, green. Bulay inside, under the basket. Launch the three. Look, Abraham style for the best score.
Nagaling naman.
Gonzalo, pass inside, Bulay again. Reverse. Ercilia, nice pass again, and Navidad. And then here comes the man, Ercilia. Napakabilis ng points. Ramis na for break. And this time, Tunggal Bulay. And finish this. And put back, Bulay. Ramis na for break. Pinaranda, tayo baseline, lays up, Dawa penetrate, nice pass, Viterbo, gets the right, tayo, natin again for break, bang, Ramsal for the answer, money, that break, here comes the break, Tumana, and Obani was ready, Tuhomet, spin, pass to Alveros. Here comes Lance, Tapando, and say go ahead. Manzano, here comes the pass for the finish. And Rain for them, every fire, air ball, and put back. To Viterbo lays up, put back. Para Alveros, wait, Ramista again. Tayo drive, tayo again, and Vicencio, Tabi, tayo outside, launch, bang, good shot, Mr. Excitement, no good from his side, let's shoot, tayo baseline, pass to Maaso, and Maaso, down the bridge, bang, Ramisa again. Bingo! Ercilia for the answer. Yes, he got it. Tayo to Bacaso, back to Iron, nice pass. Rain, take a shot, miss. Taken by Amen, and back on goes out. Around over, pass to Kyle, goes green, and Kyle, 4-3. So go around, pass to Dawan, and Dawan for the piece. Dawan to go ahead, goes green. Yes, sir, Lord, the ball from the wrist. Extra pass to Dawan, raise up, and Dawan, go down. To Kyle, Williams, Garcia. And Garcia lays up, and one basket. Garcia across the lane, no good, and Bahaso, put back. Banzan, no good. And there's Santos, still release time, to Gakusan, Manzano, for the answer. Williams, Gakusan, Manzano, for the answer. Set the screen, pass inside, Musti and Musti. Next pass to Musti, progress rebound. Now it's Musti and Musti. Santos from the board. Extra pass to Garcia and Garcia. Rebounds Manzano. Manzano again. Pass to the Ganalan. Focus on the over. Here goes Ganalan. Here goes Manzano for the three. Off target. And Ganalan again. Here goes Kyle. Kyle on that half. And easy basket. Kyle on pass inside. And Maurice Kyle for the answer. Here goes reverse. And set the swing. And basket. And number 3 with the man. Pass to Opena, Mauricia, too strong. And Bruna, Mauricia. And Sia can pick. And Sia Burger. And good. Set the swing with the turbo. Dawan. And Dawan. Easy basket. 6 seconds on the shot. Mauricia. Mauricia, yes. Here comes Sia and pick. Jumpers, that's up. And Bruna. Dawan pass to Vitebo for the beat. Little Santos, Asa Garcia, for the three. And Garcia, quick. Dulay, spin, and Dulay gets the bucket. For the reverse. Dawan, and wow. Dawan again, pass to Abrahamo. Dayu drop pass to Del Santos and Dulay. Here comes Garcia, pass to Del Santos. Good, and Dulay for the putback. Chaka, Ramis Shah from Lizzie shots up, and Boabeng for the answer. And Santos, pass to the Makaso, big shot, and Makaso out to Boabeng. Boabeng and Lucia, who's the ball and Dawan. Then James on the shot. And the table on the bracket. Kayu, Bradley, Shingan Sayo, Kuhunanan, and Kuhunanan Yusufu. Sepak, Shingan Shingan. Kuhunanan, Roselain, and Dawan, Basukhan. Manzano goes to green, and Manzano, Ganalan, and Ganalan. Here goes Dulay. To De Los Santos, Pudala. Sebulburo. To Dulay. Oh. Slam dunk. Basket down. In the tribute, 28 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist, 2 steals.
Amiscal.
John Paul Raviscal. 16 points, 15 points, 12 assists, 4 steals, and 6 rebounds.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta sa amin dito sa naglabrahan ko. Ayan. Maraming salamat din po kay Mayor Kokoy, tsaka po sa Mayor namin kay Baby Arno. Shoutout nga pala sa girlfriend ko. Ayan. Tapos sa mga taga-Libis Ballers, sa Popcars, kay Chantel, tsaka po kay Ichi Works, kay Ogis, tsaka sa daddy ko na Nestor. Ayan, tsaka po binabati ko rin po yung parents ng girlfriend ko, kay Ita Philip, tsaka po kay Lolo Dino. Tapos happy birthday po sa mama namin, kay Mama Christy. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you po.
Batiin mo na may anak mo.
Hindi ko na ulitin sasabihin niya. Babatiin ko muna yung mga teammates ko sa SB, si Coach Chris, si Coach Grab, si SK Max, si Ate Andrea, tapos yung magkinapatas happy birthday sa anak ko, si Gillian.
And once again,